Oh hey guys, it's me, your boy, back on the mic with another vlog update. I've contracted a disease of the throat, not gonorrhea. My throat has gone. A lot's happened since the last time. Bloody, this one's been painted. I did this one the other day. Ooh. So this is the biggest bedroom. So it was good to knock this out. I did it, it must have been last Wednesday or something. So this room's looking great, by the way. I'm really happy with how this first coat's gone on. If you follow me we have no choice but to follow me. If you follow me to the third bedroom, you'll see it's done as well. So that's it. All the bedrooms have had their first coat. I actually went to go into work today. I was on time for the first time in a while, and unfortunately I'm not even rostered on today, so that's nice. So now the hallway is getting that paintbrush treatment today. Paintbrush treatment today. So that's good. So that's pretty much progress as it stands on the older house of Roo. Now guys, I'm thankful for all the support I've received for these vlogs over the past few weeks. So I'm excited to announce I'm actually doing a giveaway. All you need to do is type in the comments, oh my god, I love reams, and you could be in to win this Canon Pixma MP190. I can only assume that it was chattels because the lady left it behind. And you don't need to worry about how much ink's in it because there's no ink. So you can just, you can start from fresh. If you want the chance to win this, this awesome once in a lifetime opportunity, then you just type in I love reams in the comments and I'll pick a winner. Also, seeing as I didn't have any clothes today, I had to go to the Salvation Army to pick up some threads so I didn't get paint on my work uniform. So I'm looking extra dad spec.
Go to your room. Don't speak like that to your mother, thanks.
Got my pants, lounge, kitchen and toilet. Bedroom 3, hallway and toilet. I don't know if I need it. These are my weapons of choice. I have the roller and the paintbrush. These are the ones I use for the other 2 rooms, so I've kept them in glad wrap so the paint stops drying. So those are my weapons. I have the target inside. So let's bloody get to painting. Let's bloody do it.
Ah, fuck's sake, another drum and bass track. Can't you play something a little different, please, every time? Ah.
Just finished cutting in the hallway, looking pretty good. But yeah, you can see as it's going on, comparing the two, it's like it's a huge difference. But it's just gonna, yeah, when it's all done, it's gonna look so good, it's gonna look so nice. This is the final scary room in the house. Everywhere else is painted and light looking. Oh my god, father, it is scary up here. Hello, I am going to get attacked by a ghost. Holy shit. It is a goosebump. We got a lot of juicy, fluffy pink beds, baby. Oh yeah, and this is the heat transfer, the big black anaconda in my roof. I should put eyes on him. Be like Arnold in Anaconda. Oh my god, it is in the roof, you guys, you have to kill it. There's a light switch down there. What is that for? Well, no, it's not a light switch, it's just a switch. But what is it for? It goes down. It goes down!
It don't go down. Robert, it goes down.
What the hell? What is your purpose? Hello? Are you paying rent? I don't think so. Evacuation you. Evicting. You are evicted. But it's nice. This is half the reason why I bought this house, is because it had a newer roof. It had like a corrugated iron roof, because every single house I looked at in Dunedin, you come up here and there'd literally be rays and spots of light just peppered all through the roofs because they were all tile and they were all 1,000 years old. See you later, Anaconda. It has been nice to meet you. Good boy. Keep me warm, please. Reynolman 5000. Hello, it is me. I have finished the cutting. So all these edges and all these frames have all been cut in. So now I can come through with the roller. With the roller! And if I can finish the spot off, mate. Hello, it is me, the HMS Renovation ready to leave port. So several hours later, I have finished the most of the hallway. My voice is starting to go out on me, which is great. Just looking pretty slick Rick, if you don't mind me saying. My last job before I go home is to clean and quickly do the bottoms of the walls and the tops of the skirting boards within this room and NZ. Oh my god, layers, onions. And yeah, and do them also in the hallway. I've kind of avoided doing them because you just have to get down low and it's easy to do all in one hit. And give them a clean, give them a wee paint, and she'll be right. Trev, kick her in the guts.
Hello, my name's Regan from Bunnings Warehouse. Today I'm going to teach you how to bloody paint a step.
First, what you want to do is get paint absolutely fucking everywhere. Second, you want to put your stool in the tub. Then you want to prepare this 3 days ago. Leave it for a while because you're lazy. Step 4, realise that opening the door is actually a worse way of doing it. Step 5, get a bit of paint on your brush. Bloody just put it on there, mate. Doesn't matter if it goes on or off. Who gives a rat's? You want to get paint all into the cracks. You want to get it under the door, the doorknob, stopper, flange-o-matic. Technical term. Bloody get a bit on there too, actually, just to let it know who's boss. Then you bloody give it a, oh for fuck's sake, give it a bit of a stroke.
Bloody Bob's your uncle, Billy's your aunt. Thank you for joining me for the 4th vlog. It's been a wild ride. It's a pleasure having you all along with me. Next update will hopefully be the lounge, and then that's the whole house done in one coat, and then I'll be able to do another coat, because that's how it works, and then I'll be done. Man, I'm gonna have this house done by at least September, if not later.